Let's get active. Hi guys, welcome to these trends. You know how we do it on these trends. We talk about what is trending on social media, and today is no exception. I'm about to give you all the tea that is trending. But before then, I want to ask, what are you doing this December? Tell me, are you staying in Ghana? Are you flying out? What plans do you have for December? Let's just get interactive under the comment section. Myself, I don't have any plans yet, but I know most definitely I'll have a tons of events to attend and some other family gatherings to be at. But guys, let's just get straight into why we are here today. I saw something on social media that is triggering. It triggered me to see that these days, what is happening? Everything we have now, we have the artificial ones. Whatever that is natural, of course, there is artificial one. But then again, eggs that are taken or are laid by hens and chickens. Now we have humans producing eggs. So we have an artificial egg that has just resurfaced. Artificial eggs are being manufactured now. And I think I was a victim of that. I bought eggs not too long ago. I went to shop for my provisions and stuff and I got eggs. 2 weeks down the line, I wanted to fry egg and I took one of the egg and I felt like, no, this egg is not real egg. The egg looks it's like a rubber something. And I realized that no, this is not real egg. So I saw the video on social media and it just dawned to me that no, I have actually bought something like this and I would love to share it with my viewers out there so that we can also be informed in case you buy something like that. You know that okay, I don't have to take it in, it's not healthy. I don't think that is healthy. So they have a way to produce the brown ones and the white ones. I have the video I'll be showing you guys, but I want us to do a quick discussion around that. I have Orbit in the studios to do that with me. My name is Priscilla Banks. Remember, this episode is sponsored by Candela Enterprise. They are the dealers in body splash and more. From Victoria's Secret, every body splash you think of or you want to have, they have them in stock, both wholesale and retail. Take their number, send them a WhatsApp, send them an email, and get your own order. See, guys, we are logged in here on these trends. Let's take a quick turn. When we come back, we just jump straight into the conversation. Welcome back to your life on these trends. Earlier, before I started the show, I told you what was trending on social media. Now we have variety of things trending now on social media, especially the food, our intake, what we take in on daily basis. And we know whatever that we have the natural, we have the artificial, as I said earlier. But the recent trend of artificial eggs, I feel like it's not healthy for us to take. And I don't know how this invention or this manufacturers sat down to gather their thought and say that, okay, now we are not getting a lot of, if it's chicken, if it's hens or whatever, to produce eggs for us, to produce natural eggs for us to eat or consume as customers or as individuals that like consuming eggs. And this thing, the reason why I even want us to talk about this on this show, because you know Ghanaians, everything we eat it with egg. We eat everything, even if we are eating fufu, we have to have egg on it. So this egg thing, it will come to Ghana and affect us more. I think I told you earlier that I bought egg not too long ago and I saw something like that and I was like, no, this egg is not a natural egg. So that's the discussion we'll be having today. I just want to hear what Orbit will also say about this particular issue. It's a quick discussion. So guys, you are welcome to these trends. Let's just jump straight into the conversation. Orbit, you are welcome.
Thank you very much, Sila.
How are you?
By the grace of God, I'm doing fine.
It's good to have you on my show.
It's good to be here as I am stepping in for our brother who is currently not with us. It's good to be in his seat, actually.
Yeah, so Rosen is not around, so he'll be joining us very soon. But we have Orbit here as our humble guest, and we are honored to have you on these trends. So you have seen what is trending on social media about the egg and all.
for sure.
What are your thoughts on that? What do you think is the reason why they have to manufacture artificial eggs?
I don't think there's any proper reason, but I also just think it's an act of selfishness. You understand? People who just want to make money off everything. You understand?
Yeah.
You can't say the chickens we have are not even laying eggs. You can't place it like that to say, oh, it's because the chickens are not laying eggs, so we want to bring this in to replace that.
Right.
It's just some people sitting somewhere thinking, okay, so how can we make money? How can we do this? How can we make money off this? And then decided that, let's just put in this, let's just chip in this. Since a lot of people consume this type of products, why don't we just create it for them to consume? And at the end of the day, a lot of health challenges and stuff will happen. You understand? Right. And even mainly like we Ghanaians, even in this country, you know our love for eggs. Like now it has gone over the roof. Now if you want to know who a Ghanaian is, just bring egg and you know. We eat egg with everything. Right. Very soon, Gary Sokins, we will get to eat it egg.
We can even do that. We can fried egg or boil egg and eat with
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
So I think this particular thing they are doing, I don't think it is mostly going to be consumed. Although if you watch like the videos, the company is like an outside company, but I think these things are going to be pushed to Africa. Right. Mainly.
Because we are the consumers, like we are the majority.
Our problem also is the importing thing. We like, this is what we get if we keep importing things. Yeah. If we have the resources here, we have everything we have here, but we don't like to even consume the things that are here. Yeah. So these things are going to being pushed to Africa, and we are going to consume, and we are going to get sick. Then the next minute we are complaining.
Actually, it's wild though. How people will sit down and then invent certain things. Just common egg. Just let this one go. Like
it is not about going.
Let it go. We have the natural.
Money is not about going.
And have you seen the process that it goes through?
It is crazy. I don't even know what they put that. They just pour something small and it just swells
up. It's just like yolk. It's just like the raw eggs.
And they say the white man is always smart, so that is it. Right. That is where the smartness is. Right. I think some couple of years ago there was this thing about rubber rice. It came to the scene. Yeah. Rubber rice, and people are eating rubber. And now this is where we always get.
Now rubber eggs.
Who was complaining about this rubber rice? I don't think people from the diaspora and all these people, I don't even hear them complaining about eating rubber rice. It's mostly the Africans. Because we like to import.
We import almost everything. We import them.
We have plantations here that people are planting, that we can harvest rice and harvest all these things. Most of the regions, like even you can't say chicken. Well, chickens you can't say they don't even lay eggs no more. They do lay eggs every single day.
And now they give them injections that the eggs can be coming a lot.
So what is the problem now? But you see, because our law for importation and every little thing we should import. Very soon, if you go to the Tema Harbor, you have a large cargo that will be bringing in eggs. Now we have to import eggs to eat.
And the funny thing, that egg will not break because the shell is rubber. So no matter what they do or how they can import it and it will get to your country safely.
It is not even about the importation that is even the problem. Like the health challenges that we are going to be having.
Yeah.
One person in Ghana like this, you are working. We normally even eat eggs as snacks. Right. So you meet you are the junction.
It's 5.
Imagine looking at a rubber that they just add knife and they just cut it into two and they add pepper to it. You just take it and you are okay, thinking you are fine. Later you'll be having challenges and all these things.
You think it'd be nice too, but you think that you are
rubber will be nice.
Yeah, because when you are eating it, you won't feel that it's rubber.
That is it.
But yes, when it enters your system, then the challenges start popping up. Now we have people under the age of 30, people very young suffering from kidney issues, a whole lot of health challenges that when you get to 90 years or 80 years, you should be suffering from. These are certain things or some little things that we consume.
That is it.
Then it piles up later, it becomes a health challenge.
We don't see it right now. Okay. Right now we think it is only about us consuming what is good for us. Okay, we don't even see the challenges we are going to be facing tomorrow.
Yeah.
That is why I said.
And you, the individual, you know.
How would this egg get here if it is not being imported?
Yeah. If they don't stop it, if they stop it, it won't get here.
If it is not act of selfishness, how would we even get here in the first place?
Right.
Because looking at how the process went through, I'm sure this is like years of perfection. It didn't take just 1 month to, because for you to do that type of yoke and boil to this thing, it is not just an idea. You need to keep trying it over and over and over
so
again
you
to
get
it right. And imagine, would we be suffering if this egg doesn't get here?
No, we won't.
We will not be suffering.
We won't.
But see,
mind you, it will shock you that they can even come into your country. You don't need to import it. Now they come here, they set up their factories.
who will give them the permission?
The license.
Do you understand?
But when they come and they tell you that they are coming to do egg business, will you know that they want to set a factory and start doing
before? If you set a factory,
before
this license, we have authorities that come in place, come and check what is right, how things are run,
and all that will come around.
So if they want to even have that type of factory here, then it is being produced here. Then even the government should even be held accountable.
It's worse. It's worse.
Meaning you give rights to people to do this type of things to the citizens of Ghana.
It's sad. When I saw that, I was like, oh God, we are doomed. Because at the end of the day, it will come. You won't know. That's what I'm saying. But the difference is when you put it down for some time. The one I bought, it was there for like 2 weeks. When I took it, you see that the shell was shrinking. So you see, it's rubber. So
meaning
it's not real
this is not even about the fact that it is now being about to be imported. Meaning it is already even here.
I think so.
It's
big.
How did we get here?
It's very big. It's big.
How did
the people that like big eggs.
Well, how did we get that egg?
If you notice, if you want real egg, buy the small one.
How did we get the egg here? That is now the question.
Yeah, it was
authorities are in place. You can't even say they smuggled it into the country. No. Smuggling, meaning that the people even in place there didn't do their job right.
So right now, it's people that do the egg business.
These people wouldn't even know.
Oh no, some of them import them in. So you get it?
That is what I'm saying.
Some import eggs into the country.
Keep importing something that we already have?
Yeah.
Must we keep importing every single thing?
Right.
We are importing everything which we already have here. This is one of the fights that we keep having. This is why the white man sometimes thinks a black man is a fool. Because it looks like we have everything here, but we don't even know how to use it.
Take advantage.
No. Okay, right now we have, it's not like the chicken, you have to create it. They don't even create the chicken.
It's here already.
It's already here.
Right.
Just go through the process, feed it right, go through the right process of its laying and all that, packaging and everything, and we are fine. Okay, so let's put it this way. Before this rubber egg came, were we not eating eggs? How were we getting them?
Yeah.
We were already getting them. We were already having the right processes that we go through to have these eggs. So why now? Why import something that we can already have?
It's just a lot.
If these things keep happening, we will suffer. We will always be suffering from these things. That everything we have to import, that we don't sit in our country and make use of what we have.
We import everything. The country I know, they import everything. It starts with one of the alphabets. They import everything, so I'm sure they will import this one too.
Then very soon we'll be importing human beings. We don't even need to give birth. We would have to just wait, then we import human beings into the country. Since right now it is everything we have to import.
Even toothpick, that country they import it.
Ghana, I don't think there are a lot of companies that even create toothpick. I think those things we import, even matches and all of that. I think we import them.
Hey, Charlie.
So this is very soon. Fish, we will be importing it.
Oh, that one day has been coming.
You see, that's what I'm saying. We have everything here. It is not like we don't have. And the import duties that you even pay for these things is crazy.
A lot.
It's crazy. Money. So why don't we do a lot of money? Why don't we work with it for us to grow this country to be a better place? Now, what is the independence for? Then the independence that we were given, what is it for? It is just like
still dependent.
It's just like you telling me that
when you analyze the thing,
you are in your parents' house, okay? You are in your parents' house, and you say you want freedom. The minute you move, you are not under your parents, it means that you are responsible responsible for yourself.
Your own life.
So independence means that you are responsible for yourself. So if we are claiming that we are an independent country, and we can't even stand that. It's just like a small boy. So you move from home. Now you go outside, you've rented a place, you are living, you are doing things with your friend. Yeah.
Yes, that one too, Charlie. So I think the best thing for us the right procedures to be in place. And if this eggs will be coming to the country,
it's not even to be coming. You said you even ate a similar one. So meaning that this egg is already here.
At the end of the day, I have to throw a lot of them away because I was seeing that.
Then meaning the egg is already here. It's not like now that it's even about to be imported. Meaning that there's a lot of loose ends in this thing. There's a lot of loose ends from the authorities.
Or shipping. So when a person is bringing eggs and they tell you they are bringing eggs, you don't know that it was.
Okay, so let me tell you this thing. When I've witnessed this in front, I've seen it even being documented before. When drugs wants to be smuggled from one place to the other, okay? Let's assume I know this thing very well.
Okay.
That people, when they want to smuggle drugs, sometimes they put them in different things, okay? You watch movies and you see a container that it is like maybe it's a conflict, then they package it inside. How do the police catch them?
They have to check, they investigate.
They take it out, check. Make sure they die. Oh, okay, we are checking this thing and this is proper. You want to tell me that they just packed it. They packed the eggs and these authorities didn't check.
I'm not. Maybe
it came into the country and the people at the port didn't make sure that then the next minute we can smuggle up human being in and out. You just be going. Anything can come to the country if we can't even put things in place.
Yeah, it's mind busting. It's mind busting to see. See this happening now, and the fact that it's human being that is about to do it to a fellow human being, which is crazy.
It is not crazy when it comes to a human being. We are always doing things to ourselves. The government are already doing things to us. So who are they?
The little money that you make, but anyway, I feel like we just have to be careful of what we consume. Sometimes,
how would you know?
You can't be too careful, but you have to be careful. You see the sign.
How do you tell this your grandmother in the village that
as a village for are you
going to now take it?
We in the city. Yeah, it was sitting. Sometimes we won't have time to go and check, but
you have already eaten like half. You got that day. I'm sure that day you ate it.
I ate some.
You see, right now you cry like this. You have to go for checkup. Maybe something's wrong within your system.
I should think so.
Maybe something's wrong. That's why you're getting sick. I see that.
I'm not sick.
No, I'm seeing signs of sickness.
So guys, we will leave you with the videos at the factory for them manufacturing the eggs. They are taking us through the process, how the egg is being manufactured, and they have tons of eggs being manufactured, both the white one and the brown ones.
They can't die.
Yes, and I'm thinking, how did they even make the color and all that? But
by June, July,
these people, they are very smart and all that. So let's get interactive under the comment section. Also tell me your experience and leave me a comment what you think about this particular video and them manufacturing their own eggs, or eggs are being manufactured now in factories. We'll come your way again with more exciting episode. Remember to follow us on all social media handles at Kindela Media, and follow myself, Priscilla Banks, on all social media handles. Always leave your handle and let them follow.
My handle is Obet Black. Anywhere you're looking for me, I'm not black, but I'm Obet Black.
Guys, you know Obet is a musician, so follow him and check out some of his content. We'll come your way again with more exciting content. Bye.
My people, you need to watch this video. You know, this is artificial egg, how they make artificial egg. That is why we all need to be very, very careful with what we are buying outside there. You know, there are a lot of things that are artificial there. Yes, look at this factory now. This is artificial one they are producing there. When you see it outside, you think, oh, it's original, it's the egg. Look at how they are packing it.